welcome back to my channel, The Crochet Shop by Nano. If this is your first time here and you wanna learn how to crochet adorable patterns, start now by subscribing and clicking the bell so you don't miss anything. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to crochet fast and easy art piece. Let's start it. First, you need your selected yarn. I will use Alize Diva, suitable crochet hook, measuring tape, scissors and yarn needle. First make a slip knot, then chain 4, join with a slip stitch in the first chain to make a ring. Then chain 4, then make 1 double crochet in the ring space, then chain 2. Repeat this 5 times in the same ring space. Then make 1 double crochet in the same space. Now check your numbers, 6 double crochet stitches. Now finish the first row with 1 double crochet stitch. Now you have 7 doubles, 5 chain 2 spaces. To make row number 2, chain 3, turn your work, then make 1 front post stitch in the second double crochet stitch from the back like this. Then make 3 double crochet stitches in the next chain 2 space. Then chain 2, another 3 double crochet stitches in the same chain 2 space. Now in the next double crochet make 1 front post double crochet stitch. Repeat this, the marshmallow stitch. Make 3 double crochet stitches in the next chain 2 space, then chain 2, another 3 double crochet stitches in the same space. Repeat. Now you have 5 marshmallow stitches. In the last space make 1 double crochet stitch. Now you have 5 marshmallow stitches. Put a marker in the middle marshmallow stitch space. Row number 3, chain 3, turn your work, crochet 1 V-stitch in the next double space by making 1 double crochet stitch, then chain 2, another 1 double crochet, all in the same space. Repeat this in the next chain 2 space. Make 1 V-stitch by making 1 double crochet, then chain 2 another 1 double crochet all in the same space. Repeat this in the next chain 2 space. Repeat to the next marker. Make increasing shell in the marker space. The increasing shell by making 1 double crochet, chain 2 3 times, then 1 double crochet all in the same space. 1 double, 2 chains, 1 double, 2 chains, 1 double, 2 chains, 1 double, all in the same space. Now you have the increasing shell. Now put the marker in the middle chain 2 space. Repeat the V stitches in the next chain 2 spaces. Make V-stitch in the last chain space by making 1 double crochet, then chain 2 another 1 double crochet, then 1 double crochet all in the same space to finish this row. Row number 4, chain 3, turn your work, then make 1 front post double crochet in the next double crochet stitch, then make 3 double crochet stitches in the next chain 2 space, then chain 2 another 3 double crochet stitches, all in the same space. Then make 1 front post double crochet stitch in the next double crochet stitch to complete the marshmallow stitch. Repeat these marshmallow stitches in each next chain 2 space. Then make 1 double crochet in the last chain space. Chain to your selected length. Fold the chains in double, then join in the last double crochet with single crochet stitch, then repeat 2 single crochet stitches in the same space. Repeat the 3 single crochet stitches in the next space together. In the center, make only 2 single crochet stitches in the same center space. Repeat 3 single crochet stitches in the next space. Repeat the first side chains. Make a single crochet in the last space. Make a slip stitch in the same space. Chain 1 to fasten off and weave in ends. 8 tassels by making 16 yarn pieces in double together for each tassel. Joining by making 1 slip stitch to join with bigger size hook. I made 3 tassels. You can add as you like for your selected shape. Optional, add some beads. Thank you for watching. If you like it, gives me big thumbs up to see more.